So on our wheel here, the next thing is the parts and general inventory items, which is actually down here on my list. So items. Um, we can go to the item homepage to begin sort of talking about inventory. Inventory is put into the system vendor specific, and then you can set up customizable categories. You can define your different categories of items that you want to track. You items will come underneath categories, so you might have edibles, and then you have 100 milligram chocolate bars and 200 milligram chocolate bars. So you've got vendor specific, category specific, item specific. We can start running some searches in the system for this inventory, or any recipes or builds associated with this inventory if you were a manufacturer. And this little keep criteria open box just allows me to keep my filter open, so that I can continue to pull different reports. So if I just put in a few filters here, hopefully I'll come up with an example of some inventory that we can look at. We've got a number of different items, different types of jelly, and we've got these oil cartridges. You can see over on the left-hand side, it says view subs, and it's going to show me each individual package that's available in the system. We are prepared to track everything in the system by either RFID or batch number. And then it will give you, the total quantity and then the total of each RFID or tag number. And then you can assign some customizable data here. So where it says custom data, this is really things like, batch numbers or harvest dates or package dates or received dates. You could enter test results, which you'll also see an example of that through a time ID, or maybe through a time ID, we might also see the day that it's scheduled for pickup or the day that it's scheduled for drop off. So you can put these different time IDs in each batch and schedule things associated with this inventory. So I had mentioned earlier the elements of time, which we're going to dive into, I think, next. And you can also connect elements of time with inventory or invoices, so that we can schedule delivery or pickups of inventory. Okay, so looking at the inventory, it's batch specific. You can pull some advanced searches and reports. You could pull a printable report, which just kind of summarizes everything really neatly for you. We could look at all of our vendors and just pull a quick list here of all the inventory that we have in the system. We can filter, by name, by weight, by category, by description, by a number of different tools here, and we can report on them either to Excel or just print a list.